their thing. So one day, Adam come ask Eve, say, we don't dey outside though now, we no dey garden again. So how far? Wetin we go do? Na so Eve tell am say, make we multiply now so that the work go less for us. Boom! Na so Cain come out. E no waste time, Abel follow. So as dem take dey grow up, Cain come dey carry cutlass dey work, dey cut grass up and down, dey plant things. Na we dey call farmer today. Then Abel come say, no, since my brother don dey use cutlass, make me I do another thing. Na so Abel come begin dey rear animals, those kind sheep dem, the goat dem, the cow, na we dey call shepherd today. So one day come reach, dey come say make dem give Baba God offering, sacrifice. Those days because na sacrifice dem dey use. Cain now come go bring some kind crop dem, some kind crop wey don almost kpai, like dem no get better life, no better thing fit come out from dem, carry come. Meanwhile, Abel come bring correct animals like this. He bring correct sheep, bring correct cow, take sama God like this. Dey place the sacrifice.